The sun is dipping low, casting long shadows over the dense forest. You've been hiking for hours, and the trail has led you deep into unfamiliar territory. In moments like this, your gear is everything. You pull out something from your pack, something that could easily cut through thick branches or clear debris from your path. It's compact, yet you feel its solid weight, knowing it's more than just a tool, it's a lifeline in the wilderness. But that's not all. Nearby, you've already set up a spot to rest. It's not your typical makeshift camp. It's lightweight, practically invisible until you see it swaying gently between two sturdy trees. These are simple yet powerful, the kind of tools you don't just carry, but depend on. Today, we're diving into more tools that, just like that, gear that makes all the difference when it really counts. So let's get started. Imagine you're on a camping trip and your gear breaks down. What do? That's when the Gerber Center Drive multi-tool comes in. This thing is packed with everything you need, from a full-size screwdriver that feels like the real deal, to a 12-piece bit set, all housed in a compact design. The center axis screwdriver really stands out because it gives you unmatched torque for tough jobs, like you're using a dedicated screwdriver, not just a multi-tool. You also get spring-loaded pliers, which pop out with a flick of the thumb, making it easy to handle small fixes on the go. And when you need a knife, the outboard blade is 30% longer than most other multi-tools, which means you can get bigger tasks done without struggling. It's got a bottle opener, nail puller, pry bar, and more, all wrapped up in a tough, reliable tool. It's like having a full toolbox in your pocket, perfect for any adventure. When you're caught in a downpour and need to get a fire going, regular matches are useless. That's where you will need these Surviveware waterproof matches. These aren't just any matches, they're stormproof, windproof, and made to work when the elements are against you. Whether you're dealing with heavy rain or gusty winds, these matches will light your fire without fail. They come in a tough waterproof container that floats, so even if they get knocked into water, you're still good to go. Plus, the striker strip is on the inside of the container, which means it always stays dry no matter what. This makes them an essential part of any survival kit, especially if you're into camping, fishing, or prepping for emergencies. No more fumbling with old-school fire starting techniques. Just strike and you're set. They're simple, effective, and reliable when you need them most. A multi-tool axe? Yep, and it's awesome. The OGT Survival Axe Elite isn't just an axe, it's a 30-in-1 survival tool that's ready for anything. From chopping wood to pounding in tent stakes, this axe covers all the basics and then some. The all-steel design gives it a tough edge, but it's surprisingly light thanks to the glass-filled nylon handle. There is even a built-in saw blade that folds out, perfect for cutting through tough branches or small logs. Plus, if you ever find yourself in an emergency situation, the car escape tool at the base, complete with a seatbelt cutter and window punch, could be a lifesaver. It's compact enough to toss in your glove box, but powerful enough to handle heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just keeping it on hand for emergencies, this axe is one versatile tool you'll want with you. When space is tight but you still need to cut through wood, the Nordic Pocket Saw has your back. This portable chainsaw is built to cut through firewood and clear paths without weighing you down. It's lightweight, packable, and strong enough to tackle logs up to 18 inches thick. What sets it apart are the bidirectional teeth that cut in both directions, which makes the whole process smoother and faster. The durable nylon handles are stitched tough, and they're big enough to fit your hands, even if you're wearing gloves. And if the job's too big to handle alone, you can team up with a friend to double the power. This saw is ideal for prepping your campfire or clearing trails, and it's small enough to fit in your glove box or backpack. Just remember, like any tool, it needs a little maintenance. Sharpen it a couple of times a year and keep it clean and oiled, and you'll be set. When you need a knife that's tough, sharp, and reliable, the Nedfoss Dragon fixed blade knife checks all the boxes. Made from durable 440C stainless steel, this knife's tanto blade is razor sharp and ready for anything, whether it's cutting rope or prepping your campfire. Its full tang design means the strength runs through the whole knife, giving you that extra confidence when you're using it for heavier tasks. The G10 handle isn't just for looks. It's designed for a secure, non-slip grip. fitting comfortably in your hand for better control and precision. What's more, the stone-washed finish on the spine helps hide scratches, so it keeps looking sharp after tons of use. The knife comes with a lightweight Kydex sheath, offering multiple ways to carry it, making it easy to have on hand whenever you need it. If you're into camping, hunting, or exploring, this knife will be a solid addition to your gear. Looking for a big, tough knife? The Mossy Oak knife steps up with its massive 15-inch fixed blade. It's not just long, it's powerful. It's built tough with a 10-inch stainless steel blade, sharp enough to handle anything from camping tasks to survival training. The clip-point blade, with its sawback edge, it's perfect for those heavy-duty outdoor adventures. Whether you're cutting through branches or using it for more detailed work, it's designed to get the job done. The classic rubber handle gives you a comfortable non-slip grip, even in wet conditions, so you can work confidently. Plus, it comes with a nylon sheath for safe and easy carrying, and as a bonus, it includes a sharpener and fire starter tucked away in the packaging. Getting a good night's sleep when you're out in nature can be tricky, but with the Sunyear camping hammock, you're set for some quality rest. This isn't just any hammock, it's designed for real camping. Made from high-quality parachute nylon, it's lightweight yet tough enough to handle the demands of outdoor adventures. The hammock comes with everything you need right in the package: straps, carabiners, and even net ropes. You can set it up easily, whether you're deep in the woods or relaxing in your backyard. Flip it over and it transforms from a camping bed into a cozy tree hammock for some chill time. It's compact and weighs only a couple of pounds, making it perfect for backpackers or anyone who likes to pack light. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just taking a break, this hammock will be your trusty go-to for comfort. At first glance, it looks just like an ordinary pen, but the SOG Flint survival tool is far from it. About the size of a pen, it packs a surprising number of features for survival. First off, it's got an integrated fire starter, so no more struggling to get that campfire going. Inside, there's a steel wool tinder compartment, perfect for when dry tinder is hard to find. It also comes with a carbide-tipped glass breaker, which is essential for emergency exits or shattering tough barriers. And if you ever need to signal for help, the high-decibel whistle has you covered. Weighing less than an ounce and measuring only 4.3 inches, it's incredibly compact, meaning you can toss it in your pocket or attach it to your gear without even noticing it's there. For something so small, it sure offers a lot of peace of mind. This is more than just a shovel. The Zune Latu shovel is a multi-tool you can take on any adventure. What sets it apart is the 7-key angle lock feature that allows you to adjust it to different angles with just one hand. Whether you're camping, hiking, or off-roading, this tool gives you the fastest response in emergencies. Made from martensitic steel, it's tough enough to handle nearly anything you throw at it. It won't rust even after days in salt water and can survive extreme cold down to -60 degrees. This shovel isn't just for digging, it also has a built-in axe blade, a hammer, and a saw. Plus, it includes a fire starter, a survival whistle, and even a camera support. The handle is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's lightweight yet durable. And when you're done, it folds up compactly into its carrying pouch. This is one seriously versatile tool for any adventure. Keeping your devices charged can be a lifesaver, especially when you're off the grid. That's where the Jackery Explorer 1500 has your back. This portable power station delivers clean, unlimited solar energy, allowing you to charge it using 4 solar panels in just 4 hours. With 1,534 watt-hours of power and 7 outlets, it's perfect for charging everything from refrigerators to mini coolers to your devices. It's designed to be user-friendly too. Set it up in 60 seconds and enjoy a peaceful, quiet charging experience. The pure sine wave inverter keeps your electronics safe from power surges, and the durable build ensures it can handle tough outdoor conditions. It even passed the UL drop test, which means it's impact resistant and super reliable. Whether you're camping off the grid or just need a backup power source, the Explorer 1500 will keep your gear running without a hitch.
Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
The Covert M65 jacket from Helicon Techs is an essential tactical garment for any covert operative. Designed to be inconspicuous, it's based on the iconic M65 pattern that's been tried and tested in the field for years. Constructed from durable Duracanvas fabric, this jacket will keep you protected from light rain and wind during autumn and winter periods. With functional outer pockets, you can conveniently carry essential items required for performance and self-defense. These pockets also provide ample storage for extra ammo, survival gear, and other necessary items. One unique feature of the Covert M65 jacket is the detachable pocket that can be used as a separate fanny pack for documents or a phone. Next on the list, these Condor Paladin pants are the perfect pair of tactical pants for your tactical operations. Crafted from the synergy of polyester and cotton, their fabric conceals a strategic secret: four-way stretch nylon panels, bestowing unmatched mobility in the crucible of action. These pants are more than just apparel, they're a declaration of operational supremacy. Strategic design unveils built-in knee pad pockets, a sanctuary for protection, while reinforced kneecaps form an impenetrable shield. The Paladin pants epitomize adaptability, a dynamic fusion of comfort and defense. They're not just clothing, they're a testament to tactical precision, where every stitch holds the promise of enhanced performance. If you're tired of regular boots weighing you down and causing discomfort, the Alpha Fury is here to change the game. Unlike traditional heavy-duty boots, these boots are engineered to provide the same level of support and protection while feeling incredibly light on your feet. You'll experience a new level of agility and freedom of movement, allowing you to perform at your best without feeling weighed down. The slip-resistant rubber outsole is another highlight of the Alpha Fury. It ensures excellent traction on various surfaces, minimizing the risk of slips and falls. Aside from that, the boot features a custom-molded thermoplastic heel counter and toe box, which provides instant comfort and protection for your feet. These molded components offer superior support, stability, and impact resistance, ensuring that your feet remain comfortable and well protected throughout your activities. That's a wrap on our 100 survival tactical gear items. Whether you're preparing for a weekend camping trip or a worst-case scenario, these tools will help you handle anything life throws your way. Thanks for watching! And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.